If you're looking for a fun St. Patrick's Day design to try out, this rainbow shamrock is really fun to do. Now this is our 3-minute version of the tutorial, but I think you can basically get the gist of it. If you need more tips, head to the description for a link to the full-length video. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications. I hope you try this design.